Hi guys, I got some questions about the charts I share. So like having unlimited access to my charts for the different instruments that I cover. So I decided just to make a video to explain. So if you are interested in one of the charts, you just go to my website, and there you can then choose which chart you would actually like to have access to. Like for instance, if you want the Nasdaq, you just click on the Nasdaq, and then you proceed to the checkout, and then what you actually get is a document with with a link. And if you copy this link into your browser, you will actually have access here to my Nasdaq charts. So all the time frames. So now it's the 15 minute, but then you can also change to the 1 hour, to the 4 hour, to the weekly, to the daily, and you will see everything that I share in my daily YouTube videos. And so if you then do, you cannot only view. So here you will just view in real time what I'm doing, but you can also copy to your own TradingView account. But so for the purpose of this video, I made a free TradingView account. But yeah, if you want to have, or if you want to copy my charts in your TradingView, you actually need a subscription, like so this Essential or Plus or whatsoever. So you need access to more than one chart layout, and in the free membership, it's only one chart layout. So you need to have access to more than one chart layout. And if you have this, you can simply copy my work here, all my annotations, the different time frames into your TradingView account. And yeah, then you can also follow me during the day. Like every day I publish a new YouTube video, and there you see all my work, of course. But like if some move happens in the market, then I will like an important move, then I will update here my chart in TradingView, and then you can also see this. So then you do not have to wait to my next video the day after. Then you can immediately see what is my opinion or my current count about the market. And so I go yeah, 2, 3, 4 times a day through all my charts, and then I also provide a timestamp here. Then you can see what was the last moment that I went through my charts. And so then you are informed if I like if something happens but I did not update my charts yet, then you will see it right here. Okay, so that's basically it. If you are interested in this service, if you are interested in my charts, just go to my website, and there you find further information.